How to colour grade infusion in Davinci Resolve 18 Part 2. I made a Part 1 video before where I went over the notes here, so the light blur, brightness, hue curves, colour curves and colour corrector. But what I didn't realise was there was a bunch of tools in the effects panel, or like effects and stuff, which I did not know was there until after I uploaded the video. So I just wanted to make a part 2 to go over them. Because what you would do is, if you had your media pool on, press up here on effects and go into the search bit and put in colour. But make sure to do the American version of it. I'm from the UK, and when I searched up colour like that, nothing came up. So just, yeah, make sure to do that version. But you've got parts in the tools, you've got parts in the open FX, you've got templates and LUTs, but there's nothing in LUTs. Yeah, like absolutely nothing. But yeah, gonna start off with the tools. If you are interested in watching the first video, I'll link it in the description below so you can look at it if you want. It doesn't really matter if you watch this one first, and if you want to watch the other one you can. Just either way, you'll still learn a good amount from this. But we have the colour corrector tool, which is also here. If you just drag it down, or if you just press it, it will just be on your node timeline. But you just kind of move it around, connect it how you want. You can use keyframes as well. I have a video explaining how to use keyframes for beginners. If you want to listen, if you want to watch that, I'll link it in the description. But you've got like lots of different ways of doing it. And also another tip, you can change the color of your note as well. So it's like blue here. I could change it to orange, or anyway. So we have colour curves, which I've gone over here. Got colour grain. Now, I've only had to look at a few of these, so this will all be new for me as well. But you can change the screen with the colours, just kind of how you want. A lot of these tools, I doubt you would use that much anyway, but it's just good to have like a go. You can lock it as well, which will do the brightness. And then you've got the alpha, so the alpha just makes it look a bit like that. A bit like if you just have like a background tool and you just turn down the alpha, just if you press that, that's like your output screen. That's what it will look like. If you want to reset any of this stuff, go up here and press this button. If on some pages it will have like a designated reset button, so if you move this you can press that button there. But if you want to just reset the whole thing, you press that button there and it just resets the whole thing. And if you want to remove it from your node timeline, press on it and then press backspace. And if you're interested, I'd recommend checking out this video here, which is how to colour grade infusion in Davinci Resolve 18 Part 1.